Pussy so good his ex wanna still fight me. They so pretty, bitches wish they could slice me. She just mad.
Hey, YouTube.
Hey. What's up, YouTube?
Hold on, not this video.
It's your girl, Key.
It's your girl, Ren. What's up, y'all? I know that my DC vlog is still not uploaded. That was supposed to be my video last week. So I didn't upload it all last week, and I apologize. However, I put together a quick bun tutorial of this top knot bun, high bun, messy bun, whatever you want to call it. This is just a tutorial how I get my bun done. And if you want to be on fleek like this, then watch the shit.
Okay, so I use a coconut oil eco styler gel to just put around my whole head and like gel it up, push it up with your hands, and then I'm going to take a black girl brush and brush it up right above the crown of my head. And once you get it all there, just gather it up and get ready to put your scrunchie on it. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer to get it exactly how I want it, but I just try to get it as slick as possible so none of the hairs are like falling out. So you got it in the spot that you want it, and you're going to want to basically just make a ponytail on the top of your head, and don't make a bun yet, just like pull it all the way through. And then I'm going to take some eco styler, this bitch, and some other Pantene curl custard or whatever, and like try to get my curls popping before I do my edges with the Gorilla Knot, which is like the best thing for edges. And I didn't really do nothing too dramatic. I just did like brushed it up, sleek it up with some little baby swoops, and I took out my fake ass sideburns, and then I took some bobby pins and try to make it as skinny as like possible so it can look top knot-ish.
Intruder. Oh, okay.
Like a
Make sure you subscribe to me. Subscribe to her whenever she want to get her shit up and running. Like this video, put on the post notifications, and if you want to see more tutorials, like the video again, if that was possible.